In August 2002, Prague and the entire Czech Republic were hit by disastrous floods. The Vltava riverbed faced a so-called 500-year flood, which means that the average through-flow was exceeded 35 times. Never before had Prague experienced any comparable flood. The mobile flood protection barriers supplied by EKO were completed only in the section from Žofín to the Štefanikov Bridge in the Nafrantišku city area at the time of the flood, but they successfully protected the old town from being flooded as well. In all other places, the people were fighting the water disaster in all possible ways. The flood protection measures are constructed to a height of the flood of August 2002 with a reserve of 30 centimeters. The foundation of the system is formed by underground walls as large as 8 meters, preventing groundwater from streaming. The elements serving for the installation of mobile barriers are welded onto these underground walls. For the case of a flood hazard, the bearing mobile columns known as sluice pillars are attached to the anchor blocks. In the section where the stemming height exceeds 1.7 meters, it is necessary to add supports to them in order to ensure the appropriate strength of the entire stemming system. The insertion of the lightweight aluminium stems is then already very easy. The mobile barriers are used especially in the city center. If there is no flood, it is possible to register only inconspicuous seating stones, stilts and steel anchor blocks in the streets. At the end of 2005, EKO equipped Prague with mobile barriers in a length of 5.5 kilometers. The average stemming height is more than 2 meters and in some cases it is as high as 6 meters. The Prague stemming system has altogether 11,500 square meters, which makes it one of the largest flood protection systems in Europe as well as in the world. In summer 2005, an exercise was organized in Prague. Teams of firefighter volunteers were drilling in the installation of the mobile barriers in the locations where the construction of the system had already been finished. For this purpose, it was necessary to transport 49 containers, which can carry as much as 250 tons of the barriers to be installed. The night event was attended by 310 firefighter volunteers. They were working as a well-tuned team. They managed to reduce the construction time from the presupposed 15 to 11 hours. At the beginning of 2006 there were completed 5 main phases, which include Smíchov to Malá Strana with Kampa, Holešovice up to Stromovka on the left side. Concerning the right side, the mobile barriers are available from Výtoň through the old town, Karlín and Libeň up to the Barikádníků bridge. Now Prague is safe from being flooded.